You're probably on that school word hustle. Video game, Instagram, social media shuffle. East or West Coast, worldwide, wherever you reside, you gotta eat good to feel good to do good. It's snack time. What's good, world? My name is Myrlin.
My name is Destiny.
And I'm Daisy.
And today we are making avocado arugula egg toast. In order to make our meal today, we need toast,
Avocado,
Arugula.
eggs,
pico de gallo, a little bit of lemon, and also some pepper and onion powder to taste.
Fun fact! Avocados are a great source of healthy fats. Healthy fats help your body absorb vitamins like
A, D, K, and E.
First step is to split your avocado in half, scoop out half or a fourth, depending on how big your avocado is, and spread it across. And then add a little bit of lemon, then add your spices. Next, add your pico, and then add your arugula. The last touch is to add the egg on top. Once again, thank you for watching. I'm Myrlin.
I'm Destiny.
And I'm Daisy.
And you're you, and that's the best part about you.